What is up, traders? It is Tuesday, May the 6th, my 44th birthday. So let's do the old man chair dance. We ride in the calm before the FOMC storm. No surprises yet, but today's session could lay the groundwork for some major plays tomorrow. US trade balance dropped today, low to moderate impact, but FOMC decision hits tomorrow, so expect repositioning and a lot of fakeouts. Monday, we tried to fill the Globex gap, but we failed and reversed hard into the close. The New York session closed weak, ranging structure with absolutely no conviction up top. So on the 10-day volume profile, we are still one time framing up, but we failed to hold March value area high. So momentum is stalling a bit with price now threatening to fall into this double distribution right here. The weekly volume profile is still one time framing up, but price dropped back into last week's value, not exactly what bulls wanted. The daily time frame is one time framing down with a high at 5,706.25. The next big support will be 5,601.75 or the edge of this low volume node. And we are failing to hold 5,672. If you read the daily newsletter, then you will know this is our critical weekly line in the sand. As for the order flow, we have two-sided action all day Monday centered around the weekly VWAP. Globex is currently trading below second standard deviation, possibly eyeing the long-term imbalance or low volume node below. And at last, on the New York TPO, we see that ES attempted to climb back above Friday's opening range high, but it failed. An open inside of Thursday's value area signals more balance and indecision. 1 hour chart where we see a 4-day balance range forming, classic pre-FOMC setup. Below 5,633 we have this low volume node where sellers may take control into the imbalance. As for a game plan, my line in the sand today will be 5,671, lining up with Friday's excess low and yesterday's value area low. Above 5,671, we will target 5,685, 5,700 and 5,725. Below, we will target 5,655, 5,633 and 5,590. So guys, it's pre-FOMC, trap zones everywhere. Watch your risk, don't overcommit and stay light on your feet. The big plays are tomorrow, but today we let the market show its hand. As always, if you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe, turn on notifications, get the free newsletter, join the Discord, yada yada yada. All my links are in the description, and I will see you tomorrow right before FOMC.